Let's talk about Canada Goose.
That's not a downer, is it?
Oh, I see what you did
Do
there.
you love it? Do you think that it's too late to buy into a stock that's gone up that much, or do they still have their mojo?
No, I actually love it because the fat is still there and the scarcity factor is still there, as we just talked about. And as long as you've got that going, it all keeps working. So will there be a day when it's just another jacket? I guess there will be, but it's going to be a while. So I think it's pretty safe right now. I was just in Toronto looking at their product.
I understand the investing game or the trading game that says, you know, when a company comes out with profits that are 40% higher, but they don't forecast or they don't raise their estimate enough, and they have some issue there that the stock's going to get punished. But do these stocks deserve to be punished as badly as they're being punished today for what could be called sort of minor nitpicks?
Come on, does the market deserve what it's getting today? Retailers released good earnings, they were down 10%. They released bad earnings, they were down 20%. So no, they don't deserve it. The retailers are actually doing a pretty good job. Even when you look at somebody like Target that just put out the release, right? People didn't like it. They thought they were reinvesting too much or the expense structure was too high. Come on, they were up 50% online. Isn't that what we want all of them to do, grow online? You grow online, you're going to have some expense pressure against your gross margin because you're doing things. That's a problem throughout the group, right? Whether you're Macy's or whether you're Walmart or whether you're Target, you're having some expenses go up because of all the great online business you're doing, but that's what you have to do to grow. So I say it all the time to my clients, you know, the ROI may not be as strong as it's been in the past, but these are guys who are going to be the winners. They're still going to be around. They're going to be able to pay a dividend and buy back stock, and they're continuing to grow, and they're getting good growth online.
You're loving Kohl's, or you have been, but today it's getting hammered.
Yeah, I still love Kohl's.
Yeah.
My favorites are still Nordstrom's, Macy's, Kohl's, and Walmart from the point of view of big, old, traditional retailers that are maximum taxpayers, low leverage, reinvesting in the business, making it all work, giving the customer new and innovative things, and you're not seeing much of that in traditional retail. All four of them are. So yes, I still like Kohl's. I think they're doing a really good job with their customer interface.
Does good consumer sentiment right now and a stronger consumer wallet mean that niche luxury brands like a Canada Goose are poised to benefit this holiday season? Is it the Montclair owners out there? Are these luxury brands ones that stand to really benefit?
Well, they certainly were until today. Now, if the market crashes down around our ears, there's unfortunately a really strong correlation between the S&P 500's performance in the fourth quarter and retail sales, and it's more so at the upper end than across the board. And that's not my work, that's ISI's work, but I believe them. So the only problem I can find to look at right now is the stock market. Earnings are pretty darn good. Everybody's working. Wages are rising. More people are having jobs than are looking for jobs.
The market's looking forward 6 months to a year, and they're expecting some sort of a slowdown when it comes to the consumer as well as the economy. So is it right, perhaps, for retailers to start pricing that in as well, just like the broader stock market?
Well, sure. If, in fact, we're going to see that, it should be priced in across the board, right? But right now, you would say first quarter and second quarter are probably going to be pretty good. So it depends on how far you want to look out. At some point, the tax law effects start to slow down, and we'll start to see that in the business. But we'll see record refunds in first and second quarter.
Right.
The consumer will spend that. I think we'll see a strong fourth quarter, a strong first quarter, and a strong second quarter. I'm a little worried about the upper end as all of us in blue states figure out that our salt's not deductible, and we have to pay more in taxes. But the rest of retail should look really good for the next 3 quarters.
Can we get a close shot of Mr. Kniffen here with his wonderful tie and this very, very elegant double-breasted jacket? I'm going to channel my red carpet interviewer. Who are you wearing, Jan?
Unfortunately, I'm wearing Brooks Brothers, and they should be really proud. And, you know, I'd throw my foot on the counter because I'm wearing Lucchese boots. Maybe they'd be happy with that, too.